But what I strongly advise to diabetic patients is COVID as such doesn't attract diabetic patients. When the diabetic patient gets infected with COVID, then the problem starts. There is a clear cut information like, COVID doesn't have affection towards diabetic patient. But once the diabetic patient, chronic diabetic patient, gets affected with the COVID, the problem starts. I tell four guidelines for the patients, like, first diet, exercise, your doctor consultation, and continue your medication. These four are the important pillars as well as management of diabetes is concerned. Previously, we used to tell diet of various restrictions, but now we have to add antioxidants important to our patients, like a platter of different colored fruits, and check your physical activity. Exercise improves your T cells activation, and honestly, diet and exercise prevents the complications of COVID. And yoga must be a part of your life. The breathing exercise are very, very important, crucial, because the COVID basically affects your face. It's a droplet disease. So you have to clean up your nostrils regularly, and salt water gargling, and take plenty of warm fluids. Those more important. Practice yoga, develop a hobby. And the most important thing, previously we used to neglect about the vitamins, the role of vitamins in diabetes, the role of vitamins in immunoboosting. But the whole world realized the importance of immune boosters in the form of vitamin C, and vitamin D is reinvented. The vitamin D is reinvented. That is cheap, not that much expensive. It helps to improve your immunity. Then B, vitamin D and vitamin C, a part of your routine, along with insulin, along with oral drugs. You have to take vitamin D and vitamin C. Try to control excess body fat. Apart from blood sugars, excess body fat is a very sensible marker. Diabetes with obesity are prone to land up in complications. So in this COVID era, self-hygiene is the best. Try to avoid meeting people, sanitize your hand. Sleep is most mandatory. Please, please, please sleep well. Take a afternoon nap for 1 hour. 8 hours sleep is important thing. And there are many updates are coming from ICMR. Doctors are there to update you, and pretty soon we'll get good vaccine to control the COVID. But fortunately, in Indian scenario, we are blessed. We are blessed. Why? Basically because we have inborn, inherent, innate, incessant natural immunity since our childhood, exposed to different types of viruses since childhood, that is protecting, preventing us from the complications of COVID and diabetes combination. Fine. Then where we stand now. Fortunately, though we have crossed 1 lakh cases in India, the mortality rate is less than 3%. When compared with China, it is 8%. When compared with UK and USA, it is more than 10%.